Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add new fonts in Adobe Premiere Pro. So all you have to do is go to the website dafont.com, so you can download your favorite fonts, or you can try recently added fonts here. This is a custom font that you can install on your computer, on your PC. For example, this one, link, you can download. Click download here, and if it's done, you can try to extract here. This one, open type font file, you can double click and install this font. So the installation is done, so you can use the font in Adobe Premiere Pro here. So you can try to search the font in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.